Hey guys, I have come to the town center today for painting plein air, and initially I had thought I would paint this statue, but now that I'm seeing this cute little pub here in the town center, I have changed my mind and I want to paint this today. It's been raining since morning and it's a pretty overcast day. And I love how the lights are glowing on the pub. According to the forecast, the rain will stop in a while, so I'm just hoping that I can finish the painting today. I usually find it very difficult to work on a square canvas, but I think this composition that I have in my mind will look good on square canvas. As you can see here, I have already sketched everything that I want to put in my composition, and I have started blocking in the local colors. I'm trying to keep them as bright as possible at this stage because usually these days I'm struggling with keeping my paintings bright. I feel like my colors go a little bit darker than I intend to. There might be another reason for that. I think maybe I'm toning the canvases a bit too darker than I should. But since I have already toned these canvases, so I'm just going to try to keep my paints lighter in tone. At this point, I'm pretty satisfied with my progress. I'm so glad that I spent enough time to work out the composition because it was really hard. There were so many things that I wanted to add in the painting, but I have a small canvas. I have an 8 by 8 canvas today, which I thought will be uh, more than enough to paint today because it's a rainy day, so I want to finish the painting. I have made some changes in the composition. I have taken some artistic liberties here, and I have made the light pole, this pole on the left, a little bit smaller than what I see, and I think it does not look off in the painting at all, in my opinion. I think it is complementing my composition. I'm just trying to block in all the colors quickly, and afterwards I will work on highlights and other things like details and other things. The way I like to work on the painting is to um, keep adding details on the whole painting. Like, I am not one of those people who finish one part of the painting and then move to the other part. I like to, keep improving the whole painting at the same time. Now I'm going to add this building, but I don't want to add too much details. I want to keep the focus on this main building that I'm painting, the pub, and I will just block in the local colors, and I will not add too much detail. So guys, I intended to complete my painting in one session, but unfortunately I have to call it a day. So this is day 2 on this painting. According to the weather forecast, it was supposed to be cloudy and overcast day, just as the previous day, but as you can see, it's not cloudy, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I am having a real panic attack right now, because lights and colors have totally changed, and I don't know. A part of me is saying just leave the painting and wait for another overcast day, but the other part is excited to complete the painting. I don't want to leave it, so we have to work something out. Let's see. So I have made peace with the changed lighting, and I have started adding some shadows on the walls, and I think it's going to be a good learning experience. So I'm just taking this opportunity to learn. The painting has dried a bit, so I usually don't use mediums in my plein air paintings, but today I found that my painting was not workable. It's pretty much dried, and I had to use some medium to work over the first layer. I'm also kind of using the medium to kind of glaze over the areas where I want to add shadows, because this building was not this dark yesterday, because yesterday was an overcast day, so all the buildings were looking the same. But right now what I see is this front building, the front part is bright, and the building on the side, which is a little far behind, it's in shadow. So I'm just glazing a little darker shade on top of the building. So as you can see, this angle is not the best for filming the painting. um, the sun is right behind me and I'm having shadows on my painting, so I will uh, skip a lot from this session. It's really hard to decide which details to add and which to skip, and the whole process is very much adding and subtracting details. Like, I add a detail, then I don't like it, and then I remove it, and the process goes on. So guys, this is the final painting. I really hope that you guys like it because I loved it. I loved the experience and I also loved the final result. And I think I'm going to do it a lot more often. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, happy painting.